Hello, creative people! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to draw and paint a rock in watercolor step by step. We'll learn that when painting a rock, the secret isn't in the color, but in how the light embraces the rock's facets. If you enjoy today's topic, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new content. Let's start with the sketch. If you don't like drawing, you can download the line art on my blog. It's completely free, and you don't need to sign up for anything. I'll leave the link in the video description. Let's paint. For this piece, I'll only be using Payne's Gray, Sepia, and Sap Green for the grass. We'll start with a very light wash of Payne's Gray. While the paper is still damp, wet on wet, I'll add more paint to the areas where I want shadows. Just follow your sketch. Now let's mix Payne's Gray with a bit of sepia. The sepia will give the rock that earthy or weathered tone. We'll apply this mix to the shadow areas near the base of the rock and inside the cracks. The base of our rock is ready. Now let's use a more concentrated Payne's Gray to create deeper shadow layers. With a finer brush, apply the pigment to the folds of the rock to create volume. Soften the edges of the paint using a brush with just water. Just follow the graphite sketch you made earlier. Now it's all about patience, building it up layer by layer. I teach the technique for this rock and other natural elements in my book, Nature, Watercolor and Drawing Step-by-Step. This book is a complete guide to trees, rocks, trunks, shrubs, and moss. It's available on Amazon, and for Kindle Unlimited and Prime members, it's currently free. Go ahead and grab yours. The link to purchase is in the description. Notice that some areas of the rock remain untouched with that first light wash. This creates the illusion of light. At the point where the rocks meet and where they touch the ground, I'll apply a very dark tone of Payne's Gray. To give the painting context and make sure the rock doesn't look like it's floating, let's paint the ground. I'll dampen the paper below the rock. While it's still wet, I'll add some diluted sap green near the rock and use a plastic card to pull the paint upward, creating grass. I'll add the sap green gradually, pulling it with the card to give the impression of multiple layers of grass. Finally, I applied a bit of sap green mixed with highly diluted Payne's gray on certain spots on the rock to give it that look of growing moss. All done. We've created our rock formation from start to finish. What did you think? Was it easy or difficult? Do you think we managed to create volume? Comment below, which other element of nature do you find most difficult to paint? I'd love to know so I can plan the next script. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own watercolor works. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for our weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. See you next time, and thanks for watching until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.